Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 1Password vault items with Watchtower reports, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your 1Password application on your device. Navigate to the Watchtower section, typically found in the sidebar menu. Review the list of items flagged by Watchtower for potential security issues. Click on each item to expand detailed information about the vulnerabilities. Pay close attention to any alerts regarding password strength, security breaches, or future expiration dates. For items marked with security breaches, click on the link provided to view specifics about the breach. Cross-reference the information presented with reliable sources about the breach. If a password is flagged for weak strength, consider updating it with a stronger alternative. Use the password generator feature within 1Password to create complex, unique passwords. For items with upcoming expiration dates, prioritize updating them to maintain account security. After making changes, revisit the Watchtower section to confirm that the issues have been resolved. Repeat this verification process regularly to ensure ongoing security of your vault items. Familiarize yourself with the settings options in Watchtower for customized security preferences. Regularly check for updates from 1Password to benefit from the latest features and security measures. Ensure to review your overall vault security by using the security audit feature available in the app. Stay informed about security best practices to enhance your overall online safety. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and verify the security of your vault items using Watchtower reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.